Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist. Today is Thursday, October the 25th, 2018. Want to make another quick video here. There's a lot going on in the news, everything from bombs to false flags to recessions and trade tariffs and trade wars and all types of stuff. So what we're going to do in this quick video, we're going to look at the false flag index. All right. The VIX, as you know, is the volatility index, measures fear, panic, and nonchalantness in the equity markets. But there's also something called the false flag index that we will look at as well. All right, let's kick things off quickly as possible. Going into Take Back Friday tomorrow, the first chart here is the financial sector. The ticker is XLF. As you can see, it too is in a bear market on your daily chart. Now, there is a rally alert for this tomorrow, for trading tomorrow. You do have a rally alert. Will it manifest? Will it actually trigger tomorrow? That's a very good question. All right, we'll have to wait and see what the market holds. But as of right now, we do have a rally alert to take a look at, so watch your intraday price inflection points as indicated. You will see that in tonight's pulse waves for tomorrow. All right, so the XLF, we have a rally alert on the daily chart for tomorrow. All right, moving right along here. The next chart is the bond market. The ticker is TLT. You can see that right here, TLT. This one is trendless for trading tomorrow. You still have some locked-in bullish momentum here, but you're trendless overall. All right, you got the white time bomb right here, which means that it's anyone's guess which way it's going to break. Looks like it's going to try to break north because it is trading with positive momentum right now. You got bullish momentum. Can it hold on to it? We shall see. I do believe that as we're in the beginning stages of an uptrend channel, the market will want to go up and test the trend line up here of 117.46. So you're looking at a possible $3 rally coming for you in the TLT in the bond market, which means that rates will start to fall. All right. So you may not want to lock in your rate just yet for those of you that are refinancing your mortgage. You may want to wait till these rates come down. Let's see what happens tomorrow. If this market breaks out, then you know you're headed toward the long-term trend line resistance, which is this orange line here, and you can let that rate float or however you see fit to do it, but I wouldn't lock in rates just yet for those of you that are looking to refi your homes. All right, let's see here. Going over to the semiconductors, ticker symbol is SMH. Have a rally alert for this going into tomorrow's trading as well. The market has been and still is in a downtrend channel with increasing bearish momentum. However, according to the intraday algorithms, the system did sense that there was going to be some buying for Take Back Friday tomorrow, so we're looking for an upside breakout in the semiconductors. We'll see if that manifests. Once again, watch the intraday price inflection points as indicated in your rally and crash alert report that most of you should already have seen in your inbox. All right, next one is ticker symbol HACK or HACK, which is our false flag index indicator. Tomorrow we have a rally alert in this particular market. As you can see, it's been in a downtrend channel, still is, with increasing bearish momentum. However, according to intraday market technicals, we do have sense that there is going to be a rally in this market tomorrow. So there is a rally alert on this one. Last time we had a rally alert, the market was able to rally a couple of bucks before hitting resistance. This time looks to be another challenge of that. First resistance is going to be around the $37 mark. So we'll see what happens. Right now we got a close of 35.78, and like I said, there's a rally alert on tap for this one tomorrow. We'll see if that manifests, or was today's trading just a setup for the next leg down, and with the bears take over once again. We did see sign of that back in here on September the 28th. Had a rally alert. Market did attempt to break out, but just as soon as that happened, the bears came in and the market sold off, and we got crash alert, and then you can see what happened. So we'll see. We'll see what happens in the hack, but our false flag indicator looks like we're going to have some action in this one. All right, moving right along in our euro yen. All right, euro yen follows the S&P beautifully. We do not have a rally or crash alert for that one tomorrow. We just see more of the same. The market is in a downtrend channel. Bearish momentum is picking up. So we just see more of the same in this particular market. Nothing notable to speak about in this one just yet. But like all things, watch your intraday price inflection points as indicated in your alert. You will see where you need to take action when and if the market does trigger on the intraday. Watch out for your upside reversals. It is possible, but right now it's just looking like it's going to be more so of the downward pressure picking up in the euro yen. All right, moving right along, we have the Dow futures. Got a rally alert for the Dow futures for tomorrow as well. This too, been in the downtrend channel, increasing bearish momentum. So once again, watch for tomorrow's possible upside breakout reversal on Take Back Friday. All right, moving right along, we have silver futures. All right, the crash alert we had the other day kind of played out. We did take out prior day support, even though the market is showing increasing signs of buying momentum. Price action has not behaved and moved in tandem with that. So this one is one of those wait and see. Right now, though, it is possible that the market could try to edge higher tomorrow because you do have the bullish momentum. So we'll see. But if the market does close below 1469 tomorrow, then it will give up short-term momentum and give way to bearish momentum creeping in for next week. And just keep in mind too, you are trading within the Kumo cloud of death, where there's choppiness, and you can see the market's kind of been just riding the long-term trend line resistance, and it's starting to point down. So we'll see. Silver has a lot to overcome, as you know. All right, moving right along, looking at the Russell futures, which has been the weakest out of the stock indexes. We do have a rally alert for tomorrow. Like I said, watch your intraday price inflection points, just in case the bears take over and the market wants to head lower. Wait to see if those trigger points are reached. If not, you got to be on the lookout for that rally tomorrow. Even though we're in a downtrend channel, bearish momentum increasing. Looks like, based on the internals today, that there is some buying interest starting to creep up into the market. So we could be seeing a short-term bottom in the stock index futures. All right, moving right along, looking at the crude oil. Rally alert in crude oil. All right, this is the second rally alert in a row that we have received. Last time this happened was back here on September the 10th and the 11th. We had the back-to-back rally alerts followed by an enormous breakout rally. All things being equal, this could put prices back up north of $75. Be on the lookout. Yes, we are trading below the Kumo cloud, So you're going to have some immediate resistance between 68 and 68.50. But all things being equal, watch your intraday price inflection points in the crude oil for tomorrow. Moving right ahead, right along, we got the Nasdaq 100 futures. We do have a rally alert for this one tomorrow as well. Please note that the volatility levels in the Nasdaq 100 have been absolutely enormous. They've been off the hook. Look at these trading ranges. These are daily charts, not weekly bars that we're looking at. Look at the bars here. You know, hundreds of points. All right, that's a lot. This one right here is 400 points long. This one here is 400 points long. So you're having 400-point trading ranges in this NASDAQ. Markets always seem to break down faster than they go up. So you had little days of going up, but you're having big extended days of going down. All right, so just be careful. You're going to have to use those volatility stops if you're going to trade this market. All right, so those of you that are risk averse, this is not the market for you right now. The Nasdaq 100 is trading reminiscent of the late 1990s Globex. All right, back when Globex was just in its infancy stages and it was the wild west. So understand, these right here are candles of doom, bars of doom. All right, just ripping people's faces off, blowing up small trading accounts. All right, trade lightly, trade carefully. All right, rally alert for tomorrow. Watch those price levels, watch those intraday price inflection points and resistance and support levels. All right, looking at natural gas for tomorrow. Natural gas, let's see, we did have the back-to-back rally alert. You are trading below the Kumo cloud, and the market did give up some bullish momentum today, hence the little bear. All right, so it's usually not a good thing. So we'll see what the market can do. We do have the back-to-back rally alerts, just like you had back here. You saw the run, so I think it is still a possibility the market could break out above the Kumo cloud and the long-term trendline resistance, which is $3.30. If enough force and volatility comes in, it could really push right through here, and we could head right back up to the 360s. All right, so just be careful. Market could also fall down. You just need to watch your intraday price inflection points and not let the market get away from you. All right, you're still in a protracted downtrend channel, increasing bearish downside momentum, but I would not just forget about the rally alerts either. All right, watch those price inflection points. That's your natural gas. All right, looking at the gold futures. Gold futures back-to-back crash alerts. Now, the first one did not play out. Market came up, but then it quickly reversed as well. So even though we didn't take out any, create any new support levels breaking through, this is a double one here. You can't help but to pay attention to it. Don't ignore it. Gold can be quite volatile, as you see this bar back here. All right, this is a huge bar. All right, so just watch your price levels. If it's going to run, it's going to run. You do have an uptrend channel, and you do have increasing bullish momentum, but you cannot ignore the crash alerts either. So just keep your eye out for this one. All right, looking at the E-mini S&P 500. All right, downtrend channel, increasing bearish momentum, but you got a rally alert that you need to pay attention to for tomorrow's trading as well. All right, and let's see what else we got. All right, Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures, no rally or crash alert to speak of, but the market still is in a downtrend channel, but the momentum is just flat. All right, this market is not giving you anything. Okay, you kind of inched lower just a little bit. Crash alerts back here, and now you did take out the prior supports, but nothing gaining. It just stopped. So market's flat right now. Not a whole lot to talk about in the Bitcoin futures at this time, but like anything else, watch your intraday price inflection points, because if they are triggered, then we could have some very interesting price action in this market. So be alert on that one. All right, and last but not least, the U.S. dollar index. Bearish positions are just getting smashed each day. The dollar's getting stronger and stronger. Locked in bullish momentum, uptrend channel. Just more of the same. The market's locked in on the bullish momentum, so longs are still holding longs, and even doing a little bit of piling on at this point. So no crash alerts or rally alerts to speak of. But like anything else, watch your intraday price inflection points, because if the market's going to turn on a dime, you know how to trade it. You know where you need to be to benefit off of that. All right, but longs are not wrong. They're holding on. Just remember, Take Back Friday. Be ready for any and everything. And remember, pulsewavetrading.com, where you can come and learn how to trade these markets, and also be alerted to rally and crash situations, and have the intraday price inflection points at your fingertips well ahead of the market moves. You'll know, regardless of what happens, regardless of what news comes out, you'll know what intraday price inflection points and key areas of resistance and support where you can take advantage of and be in the right place. Even if you're wrong in your direction of the market, you can still be placed in the right situation to make money. And that's pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.